Nature has a beautiful way of cleaning water. First, it humidifies it by sunlight. That means the water evaporates and turns into humidity. And it goes up into the cold where it condenses and attracts to each other, creating water molecules that turn into raindrops. Thank you, nature. You taught me well. Now I know I can go to the desert, fill evaporation tanks, create humidity, and condense the humidity into, barren water, which if used to implode on mineral stones and oxygen, it would come back to life, taking away my wrinkles.